What's up everyone? So right now I am in my Shenzhen Edo and we have this new camera gear, and well, the thing is, you see, this gives a wireless recording through here, and in my Shenzhen Edo, actually it was parked during the day, so I have to take off this umbrella for the screen. Now you might be getting a better view of the car and the point of view. So I'm using a Insta360 Go 3S camera for this purpose, and well, let me just put on the maps also. So it will be quite interesting to just drive and record the video on this. So I hope you people can see the camera angle a little better now. Hi Shenzhen,
How can I help you?
turn on the AC.
Okay, turning
Okay.
on front ORC for you.
So let
Sorry,
me check
this
if
vehicle model does not support this function.
okay. So let me just go here. It's actually quite loud, so I'll lower the volume. Now I think you people can see the road as well, and you people can see the POV of the car. So let us just drive, and inshallah we'll reach our destination, and along the way we'll get some very cool POV shots. So well, for those people watching this video on Instagram or TikTok, well, this is what the camera actually looks like recording this. So I'm taking this POV video. You see, there's a little bit of how I would say inconvenience, like putting on the cap with the camera for the first time, but well, the scenes are sort of very interesting. You see, it's going to be 12, it's actually past 12, and I'm going to work for the night shift. So I hope this camera ends up capturing some really cool POV shots, and we are gonna use this continuously for more and more interesting drives and stuffs. We are gonna explore the world with this. So these are the scenes. I am on the King Abdullah Road. I'll take the ramp down onto the main King Abdullah Road right now. So the camera seems to be recording really well. With this video I might be able to get a better feedback of whether or not this angle is right, but I think it's completely fine. We could go a little bit down or we could go a little bit up, but the area above that is not of interest. This one that I'm seeing in front of me, this is more exciting. The speed limit of this road is 100, not 100, 90. So right now we are driving 80, as you see, on a Shenzhen Edo. So right now the car might be in the normal mode. It has eco, it has sports mode, and it's a turbo. You see, even at 12 there's a lot of traffic. We have cars coming to merge on to this lane, so we will make a quick turn over here to save everyone some time. You see, Riyadh is super busy even at this time. There's a dumper standing over there. Might have broken down. Also, I'm interested in seeing later that how the audio of this whole thing will turn up. So also in my video earlier I said that the other casing, that's the that's called casing, and this camera is called the action pod. That's not the case. The casing is the action pod and the camera itself is the camera. So that's a little bit of changing correction. This camera is gonna give us some really cool stuff. I'm excited for this, honestly. So I'll be taking an exit from here, or to make sure no one's behind. Let's go. Have you ever driven a Shenyang Edo? Or are you considering buying one? Well, if you are, then maybe you came to this video by searching up Shenyang Edo. Hi Changan. Hi Chanjan.
How can I help you?
Set the AC temperature to 25 degrees Celsius.
Adjust it to 25.
Oh wow. See, this is interesting. Some really cool stuff. Oh, okay, thank you. See, it's written thank you, but it didn't reply. Okay, let's see how the recording is going on. So this is what you people are seeing. Wonderful. Wow, this looks so fun. By the way, we have a green light, red light, green light. Okay, let's go. Let me know if you are interested in seeing the POV drives of other vehicles as well. This will be so much fun actually. Oh, nice. I really like it. I got this camera from one place called Sharaf DG here in Saudi Arabia, and the only place I could find this camera selling and also in shop. So it was convenient to just go see it and then buy it. Not as in like I could open the packing, but well, when you have something in hand, that gives you a better feel when buying, rather than just ordering and then like sitting ducks on it. But anyways, this was important stuff, so we had to do that way. Now I think the camera is really well adjusted. Right now we are on the King Abdulaziz Road. And onwards we go. See the other side, there's a lot of traffic over there, and it's stuck actually. I would have to go to the Northern Ring Road. I honestly am so excited for all this. I would like to take a new cap, a better one. By the way, I just had this one white cap and I started using this. Well, see, the left lane is only for bus. That is not supposed to be used, but some people are using it. Right in front of us we have a BMW. Okay, nice. And from here I can see the CAF, King Abdullah Financial District. Not sure if you can see in the camera. It's far, it's distant. But we need to focus and continue on with our drive. I will have to take the exit from here. Honestly, I think Riyadh never sleeps. What do you think? Also, I had to connect this camera to the Insta360 app. Then it started working, and now I have all the stuff from the camera coming straight into the app. Once I connect this camera with the action pod, that was a BMW. In front of us we have an FJ Cruiser. See the traffic, the midnight traffic in Riyadh. Riyadh is a very beautiful city, and if you live here you have to accept that this traffic is a part of life. Normally this sort of traffic would be seen in rush hour in some other city, but here it's just midnight. Just imagine how it would be like in the rush hours. It's actually insane, but the city makes up for it. What a wonderful city. It has given me a lot of opportunities to explore, to grow, and I love it. I've been to other cities in Saudi Arabia as well. Each was unique and each was wonderful in its own sense and right. Chapati wa karak maftuh al-an 24 saat, 24 hours open. Please let us go. Okay, so off. Please, 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 let's go. So now we take the exit Min Hina. There was a time when I used to go on taxi on these roads, but well, times have rather changed. Okay guys, now I will continue till the U-turn, and after that I will end the video. Let me know in the comments if you found this interesting, and if you want to see more of these POV videos. I am honestly so excited for all this. Fire Grill, they have all these mashawiyat and stuff. Here we go everyone. Maybe 1 minute left till I stop recording. I honestly can't have enough of it. This camera is gonna make my life more complex because I already have a lot on my plate, but well, I am up for the challenge, and I am up for making all this content for myself and for you people. It's gonna be so amazing. So excited for the results. We could honestly do a lot from this. Also, the U-turn is coming up ahead, so I will be actually ending the video. So there you see, I'll just end it over here. Goodbye everyone, have a blessed night, stay safe, and I wish you the best of health, wealth, love and happiness for all of you people. Goodbye.